Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to implement Sketchware Pro without using Sketchware Pro's Admob libraries because they are somehow outdated. So for this project, we'll be using the Admob library version 20.6.0. Then as we advance, I can update the library that's to version 21.0.0. Okay, so first thing first, you just have to create your Admob project or a project. Just give it a name, Admob Ads. Okay, so after you've done that, please you advise that you go to my blog. The link to this blog is in the description below. Okay, so when you're at my blog, all you just need to do now is to copy this code here. You need to add this code in your project. Okay, so after you've copied the code, you can go to your project or your app, then go to Android Manifest Manager, that's this one here. Then on app components, then you paste the code here. Okay, so as you can see, this value here is actually your Admob app ID. That's the publisher's advertising ID. So what you just need to do is that whenever you want to create your own projects, that's a project you don't want to test, you want to upload or you want to upload it into Play Store or something, you need to add your own Admob app ID here. You have to change it to your own Admob app ID. Okay, so when you've done that, since this is just a test, I'm going to be using the standard Admob app ID that's for the test. Okay, all you just need to do next is to add some permissions for network states. Add the Android permission access network state and internet and then also Wi-Fi state. Okay, so after you've done that, please make sure still in the blog you also find if you read through the blog, you'll find a link here that's download all the libraries needed for this project here. So when you click on this text here, you're going to download the libraries. Not only the libraries, you are also going to download the components and the blocks which I used. So after you've downloaded the libraries, let's just say you've downloaded it, you've also imported your blocks and components, you can now add them into your project. You just have to select all of the libraries. Okay, then you go to your library and enable app compact and design. So when you've done that, okay, now please, I just want to explain something. If you want to use this project with firebase, let's just say you enable firebase, you need to uncheck some libraries here. That's just play service tax and play service basement version 17.6.0, please, so that you will not encounter any error. As you may notice, the libraries are reduced. That's for those who have actually been with me since I started my tutorials. Okay, but since I'm not going to use Firebase, I need these libraries, so I need to check them. Okay, after you've done that, you just have to go to your imports. Then you add your blocks. Then let's copy this code. Okay, so once you're done, you can actually see here I've added the imports necessary that would be necessary for me to run this project. Okay, so as you can see, I have not added Admob using Sketchware here. We won't be using Admob for this tutorial. So the Admob from Sketchware. So now all you just need to do is on activity create, after you've imported your blocks, just add this here. Okay, so when you've done that on activity creative, we've added that there. So you're good to go. That means once you just add this block on your activity on create, you've actually made the activity ready for Google Admob libraries to show adverts on it. So now let's say you want to test your adverts with your own ad unit ID. That's where this comes in. You just add this block here, then you enter your device test ID, or yes, your device test ID. I'll explain this later in the tutorial. So this just all for now. Just do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.